Hello everyone, my name is Mario Mendez and I'm a Tech-TOSA for Palm Springs Unified School District, and today I'm going to go over groups in ParentSquare. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm on ParentSquare, and I'm in a training academy here, and this is a home page that I have all kinds of stuff on. So to get to groups, let's go ahead and on our left-hand side here, on our panels, here's Communicate. Let's look at Explore. Nope. Participate. Okay. We have groups. 6 groups in here. Click on Groups. And I have different groups already created along with different categories. This category here is school. I have teachers. I have staff, IT TOSA. I have a test category here, which is a test group, test auto update, and observation. These are 3 different categories. Okay, so let's go ahead and play around with it. We're going to start by creating a new group. So on the far right hand side, new group, I'm going to click there. So there's 2 kinds of groups that we have. We have a static group and we have an auto update group. A static group is just a group where you're going to have people in the group and nothing's really going to change, right? You can take people out, new people can come in, depending on how you have it set up. And the auto update group is going to add and remove people based off of conditions. Okay? So right now we're going to do static group. Go ahead and click on the button on the right hand side, new static group. Display name. Let's go ahead and call it lunchtime activities. Okay, I just made this up. Description. This is the group. Is the group of teachers that will be having lunchtime activities. Okay, you don't have to put anything in the description, but it helps. Category. Now, I can go ahead and keep it in school because technically it is school related. There's the other category, test category, which is just me playing around previously. There's an observation category, or I can create my own. I'm going to go ahead and create my own because maybe we have a lot of things that happen at lunchtime. Okay. Category, lunchtime. Now, we have options here. Public, anyone can view the group's contents and join the group. Private, only group members you add below can view the group's content, or confidential. Private group hides display name. There's more advanced features here. Okay, allow group members to post in this group. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to mess with any of that. I'm just going to go ahead and do a private group because ideally I don't have the entire staff in this lunchtime activities. I only have the teachers that are going to be focusing on maybe intramural sports or something very specific. You know, it could be another group is under category. Lunchtime category could be lunchtime tutoring, you know, so that lunchtime I think is a good category. So let's go ahead. I'm the owner here. What that means, I have full access to the group settings. I can add people and remove people from the group. I can also add another owner if I want. Just go ahead and type in their name. I'm going to go ahead and add this teacher. Now, Stacy is also an owner of the group. She will have all of the adding and removing abilities as well. Okay. So, add members by selecting students. In this particular example, I don't have students to add. So you teachers will have students. So then you could add students in here. Add members by name. So here's some members that I can add here. I'll go ahead and add Brian Guzman. I'll add Kelly. And I'll add Vincent. Okay, so I added 3 people. Enter guest members. So let's say add users not in your student information system. So basically what that is that could be teachers or students. In this case, I'm going to focus on teachers. A teacher that maybe for lunchtime, maybe one of the paras or one of the lunchtime yard duty people. Maybe I want to add them to this group so that they also see what activities are going on and they also are able to stay updated. Okay, so so I added Tanya here as a guest member. Again, a guest member, somebody you add in, might not usually have access to this. So what they'll get is an email saying, Mario has added you to this group, lunchtime activities. Go ahead and log in or whatever, and they'll create their account then. Okay. Add members by uploading a CSV. And you can upload here to students, staff, or guest. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, going back to my categories, school, test, observation, lunchtime activities. 6 users in here, 0 posts. I'm the owner. I have a trash on this side to delete, and I also have a manage. So I'm going to go ahead and click on lunchtime activities. And as you can see here, nothing's going on. So one thing to note is there's no messaging in groups. Okay, you can message, and I just want to show you real quick. I'm going to go home. Message is right here. But if I go to my group, down here, lunchtime activities, message is gone on the left hand side. See? Okay, so I'm going to do a new post. I'm going to say that we want staff and the guests to check it out, and your numbers will change here. So the subject, basketball at lunch today. Hello everyone. We will be creating teams for the middle school lunch time basketball league. Okay. And like before, you can go ahead and font, add pictures, all that good stuff. All right. And who's going to see this? The staff that are in your group, right? So we had a couple of staff members, and then the guest. We had 1 guest. I'm going to go ahead and post it now. Again, I've gone over notifications before, but you could send it their preferred time. I'm just going to override it. I'm going to send it now. I want them to see it now. Post now. 4 staff, 2 guests. Post now. And there it is. Basketball at lunch today. Okay. Click on the X. Now, I'm back home in my home page, and I can see basketball lunch today, posted by me. But if you read it, the details here, posted this time and date. This is the group, lunchtime activities group. That means, although my feed, we have like our whole staff on this ParentSquare page, not everyone is in every specific group. So lunchtime activities group will be here. Go down here, there's a test form from Stacy, is in this academy. Pokemon, name these Pokemon, is in the observation test group, test auto update. Okay? So I just want everyone to see this. This post here, LCAP Parent Ambassadors, Palm Springs Unified School District Group. Okay? So let's go back to our groups on the left side again. Click on groups, and we're going to move lunchtime activities. This time I just want to go through the motions of creating a group, and I'm going to go ahead and create it in lunchtime again. I'm going to create a group that has like the auto update. It's the other kind of group. So again, at the top, click on new group. So previously we went to static group, new static group. Now I'm going to go to auto update group. Okay, so we're going to see what that looks like. New auto update group. Click here. So display name, let's do lunchtime tutoring. This group, sorry, I forget to capitalize the beginning. This group consists of teachers that have lunchtime tutoring. Yeah, just leave it there. A category. I could put it in school. I could put it in any of these, but it makes sense to put it in lunchtime. So I'll click there. All right. And I like to make sure I have correct spelling, grammar. Who have? Okay. So owners, I'm going to be the only owner of this one, okay? Because I just am. Now, user role. So the users coming in here are going to be teachers. I might have some staff as well, okay? Now, am I going to have any parents in here? For now, I would say no. I would not have any parents in here. But depending on your usage, you might. But what I want to show here is, and user matches the following condition. So I'm going to click on this little button here. There's grade level, class, and language. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom. And user matches the following condition. So the language is one of them, is of English. I'm at another condition. Grade level, I'm just going to say, again, because I don't have grade levels, 7th grade. Okay? So it's going to take these people, and it has to match these conditions for the user role, not the owner. Okay? Save. Scroll down. Lunchtime tutoring. Okay. And like before, I can add a post. Maybe lunchtime tutoring is also going to be part of observation. And I can still do what I did before. And don't forget that when making posts, you have all these add-ons here on the side. A form. Maybe lunchtime tutoring, they need a permission slip. Add a permission slip here. I'll just put that date. And then I can existing form, I can create a new form. And I can also calendar invite a parent day, right? Here, so you can add these add-ons to your post in this specific lunchtime tutoring group, okay? I'm going to exit out. So now that I'm back on the home screen, I'm just going to go to groups again. And we can see our two groups here. So if you're starting with groups, I think I would start with lunchtime activities, a static group, right? Start slowly and then eventually create a dynamic group off of the criteria that'll be changing, okay? And that is groups in ParentSquare. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.